Okay, so on this one, we are wanting to factor those three terms right there. So how do we do it? So when you're factoring three terms, it's multiply, add, multiply. Multiply, add, and multiply. So I'm looking for two parentheses that do that. So what do? The front times the front has to multiply to be the front. What times what is 9y squared? 3y, 3y. 3y times 3y is 9y squared, right? Now jump over here to the last multiplier. What multiplies to be 64? What? 8 times 8. Use your calculator if you're rusty on that. 8 times 8. No pluses or minuses yet. 8 times 8 is 64. Now, what about the middle? They have to add to be 48y. Right. They already do. What am I talking about? Let me show you. If you make both of these plus, it's already right. I'll come over here and I'll check it. I'll prove it's true over here. But really, we're done. That is the answer. Let me prove it. Remember how these guys multiply out? Remember, you go the first to both, right? So that'd be what? 9y squared, right? 3y times 3y. And 3y times 8, 24y. And then this guy goes to both, right? First to both, second to both. They take turns. Remember that? What's that going to be? 8 times 3y is another. Oh, did I say 28? It's supposed to be 24, huh? Got to get a little help with my times tables here. 3 times 8, 24 again. And 8 times 8, 64. Now see what these two do. Now they would add in the middle to be like terms. And they'd be what? 48y, 48y. So it's good. My point is it's already correct. They are multiplying to be the front and the back, and they're adding to be the middle. It's good. So what do you do when you have the same exact thing twice? Like, what if you have x times x? What do we call that? X squared. Huh. So you can write this final answer as 3y plus 8 squared because it's the same exact thing twice, isn't it? That makes sense. So that's our answer. 3y plus 8. Quantity squared. I think you could put in just two of them and take that too, probably. Either way. But on the multiple choice exam, it'll probably be written that way, so I don't want you to be fooled. It's the same thing twice, huh? Either way. We good there? So what did I do then? With three terms, I just did multiply, add, multiply. I just made sure the front times the front, multiplied to be the front, and the last times the last, multiplied to be the last. And then I checked on the middle by just multiplying the first to both, second to both, and sure enough, the middle did add to be the middle. So it's all good. So there's our answer.